A universal shelter for emergencies. Its modular system works on simple form and joinery. The joints are color-coded for easy assembly. The structural A-frame can be built with various materials. It's light, compact, and easy to transport. It's anchored to the ground and can be raised on a high plinth for flood-prone areas. In an emergency, it can be used as an improved tent. It can also be adapted for use as an emergency school or health center. It transforms into a transitional shelter with minor additions. Local materials and skills are used wherever possible. The shelter can incrementally evolve into a permanent core house. The original roof transforms into a new one, and posts and bracings are added. The walls can be of various materials. Value additions can also be included to make life easier and more comfortable. Solar passive heating and ventilation-based cooling, fuel-efficient heating, and cooling devices for extreme climates, solar lighting, rainwater harvesting and water filtration systems, and a quick-to-erect modular toilet with safe septic tank. So an emergency shelter erected in just 30 minutes grows to be a home.